In the heart of a modern kitchen, a smart fridge hides a physics lesson as it quietly cools. Sensors measure temperature, while fans adjust airflow, showing how convection and compression work together to keep food fresh. A door seal demonstrates thermodynamics, reminding how tiny leaks waste energy far more than a busy commuter. A bright display teases with color, yet the real magic is a tiny microcontroller balancing power and performance. This ordinary appliance reframes daily comfort as a live demonstration of practical engineering in action.